So I have transplanted a lot of my seedlings because it was looking very chaotic down here. And these are the trays I got from Amazon. I got a 6-pack. I probably should have got a 12-pack. Vivo Sun seedling starter trays. There's nothing fancy about them. Each of them hold about a dozen, or hold a dozen little cells. And over here I've got my Gymnovator Vatari seedlings with the help of my neighbor. And over here we've got some mellow cactus growing. What is this? Gymnocalycium stenoplarum, which I think that's what it is. I was looking at them and I was like, hold on, focus. Sorry, focus. Let me just take this off. There we go. And I was like, I'm not sure, but that's what I had them labeled as. I made a lot of mistakes this first year, not labeling my seedlings, and it was getting messy and stuff. And here I got some Astrophyta mysteria. I got some Myriostigmas over there, the only ones that survived. And in this corner, I've got some Mammillaria plumosas. Hold on. There we go. So actually, my Astrophyta mysterias, they're doing like fantastic. Like they were, I think, next to my silver torches and this unknown species of Gymnocalyciums, they did really well. Like, they look picturesque, so plump and healthy, and all I have to do now is make sure that they don't get like sunburnt. And these, oh my gosh, are Parodia mammulosa? No, mammulosa, submammulosa, yeah. So I'm a little confused because here it is as a seedling, and it's like, I don't know, I'm trying to look at it, like maybe I was counting the thorns and stuff. This one was labeled pretty well, but this is the one it's supposed to turn into when it gets grown. I just don't see it. And these were, I believe, from my seeds, because I've gotten even like another batch of seeds. They did really well, so it just, I don't know. We'll see how the seeds mature and stuff. Maybe it's a slightly different variant, who knows, but other than that, everyone's doing really great. But yeah, I'm actually, I don't know. I don't think I'm going to leave these out here. I'm going to clear a spot and put them over there. They won't get direct light, but they'll get bright indirect light. So, because I did take my shade cloth off just for the next few days, because it's supposed to be somewhat cloudy. Could put one over here. I really don't want to burn them because I lost a ton when I moved my seedlings out here. A lot of them died, and you know, I don't want to. Oh, yeah, whatever this Gymnocalycium is. Oh, sorry. I have tons of them. I have like 2 trays of these. So yeah, I don't know what they are. I don't know. I'll probably find out in a few years. So, all right.